Hey everyone. A Rexy haul. It is. Let's start. Now, we've all seen the story, right? But my collection is complete. Everything's in. So, remember her? In all her glory. And I had to add the 87, of course. Of course. Let's do a little bit more details. Thank you, Jenny. Love it. And I also added this chain only because the dinosaur. And it's perfect with her. We got this beauty right here. I love her. She's like my favorite. That's it. And of course, I'm already using everything. This pretty plaza. And this thing fits a lot. I honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, oh my God, this might be too small, but because I don't have a Plaza 18. But I actually love her. She's perfect. And in this bag. Now, I do not own a single notebook. And I was like, you know what? I do need one because I am planning to have a planner put in this. So let's have a closer look. And I'm actually planning when I go into the Coach store again, hopefully soon, I wanna add like my little initials down here. I think it would be super cute. Or I can also add her on the inside, right here. I'm not sure, but I want to do it out here, right here. So we'll see, but you guys, I'm so excited. Or you know what, proper. Everyone else is doing it, might as well do it. I'm not cutting this video. I'm not, but one second. How is this looking cute? I love it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.